Only qualified personnel should install and service appliances with a ProFlame 2 system. See product manual for details. This video will demonstrate how to troubleshoot an LED light strip in a Napoleon linear fireplace. The following tools are recommended to have on hand when servicing a hearth appliance: gloves, a drill, wire strippers, a tape measure, a multimeter, a jumper wire, safety glasses, small flathead screwdriver, a manometer, and needle nose pliers. Begin by checking that the transformer is plugged into the main junction box and connected to the LED control. Check that the LED controller is connected to the X13 auxiliary on the control board and the Bluetooth module. Next, ensure that the wires on either end of the LED strip are connected correctly. Ensure both ends are pushed in fully and the wire is correctly aligned with the LED strip so all pins are in contact. Once all connections have been checked, set your multimeter to volts, AC. Check for voltage at the receptacle to confirm that approximately 120 volts is being supplied to the unit. This is where the flow of electricity starts, as you track the movement of power through the unit and ensure all systems can operate correctly. After checking the receptacle, disconnect the transformer, placing the leads on either end of the connectors. The reading should be a minimum of 12 volts. Anything lower than this will require the transformer to be replaced. If you receive a reading at or above 12 volts, remove the multimeter leads and reconnect the transformer. Next, check that voltage is going from the LED controller to the light strip. To do this, turn on the LED lights and set them to cycle through the colors. Remove both the left and right Molex plugs from either side of the LED strip and identify the metal tips in the end. Place 1 meter lead on the black wire location and the other lead onto one of the other wire locations. You should observe voltage cycling from 0 to 17 volts AC as the colors cycle through. This is because the LED controller outputs varying voltage, which changes the colors of the LED lights within the strip. Perform this test between the black wire and all 3 colors on the Molex plugs, observing the 0 to 17 volts AC rise and drop at each location. If voltage is present on all connections, the LED strip will need to be replaced. If voltage is not present, disconnect the LED output wire from the LED controller and set the multimeter to check for continuity. Connect the meter leads onto either end of the wire and ensure there is continuity from the black LED end to the white Molex end. Perform this test on both wires on either end of the LED strip. Connect the ends of the multimeter to the corresponding wire colors and LED contacts as shown here. The wire color locations differ when testing both the black and white Molex plugs, so ensure you test the correct location and have a firm connection while testing for continuity. If any of the connections fail to have continuity, replace the corresponding LED output wire to ensure the LED strip will work correctly. Click here to view the Wolfsteel Technical YouTube page. Like and subscribe to our channel to get notifications for new product and troubleshooting videos.